Welcome everybody. In this video we will take a look at the components we have on the starter template, the tab starter template. So to start, let's start serving our app with Ionic serve. So the app runs at localhost 8100. It opens as a browser tab. So let's open the developer tools by clicking Ctrl+Shift+I, and we will open by clicking this the toolbar, the device toolbar. And what's cool about Ionic is that it compiles our components uh, differently. Like in the web and Android, it uses Google Material Design components, but in iOS, use iOS Design System. So if we go to the Moto G4, which is an Android phone, now we have this layout. If we go to Ionic, iPhone, now refresh, we will find it different, and we will see more difference in the next videos when we use more components. This let's close the console, and now the collapse condense attribute means that when we scroll at the iPhone devices in iOS, it's being fixed at the top, and this component this iron header, it being this and this on the Android. Oh, this one, and this iron header, because of the collapse contents and being iron content, so it will be displayed only on iOS. So it's like it's not there when we have the Android app. So to see the effect, let's remove this component. Let's put some lorem ipsum text. No, that's enough. So now look at this. If you go to the iPhone devices, refresh, now look at that. When you scroll, it's being fixed at the top. So this displays when you scroll. And now let's delete those lorem ipsum texts. And here we import the components from IonicVue package, and we register them here as components. And why we do this is in order to use the directives of Vue tools like vmodel, vf, etc. we need to import them, and also a best practice. So let's go to the tabs with Vue, and here we see the tabs component, the ion page, which is a wrapper. And the ion tabs is a top level navigation component, which doesn't add anything to the UI, it's just some routing logic. And here the component of the ion router outlet, which is same as router view component in view router. Here we have the ion tab bar, which is this bar, which it has slot button, so know the tabs aren't at the bottom, not at the top. So we have the ion tab button. This tab attribute is like an ID for the tab. We put here the name of the page. Here the HTML link. Ion icon is the component that allows us to use the icons of Ionic. So how to use it? We import the icons we need from ion icon/icons package, and in the setup function we return them. And just like this, we put in the icon attribute the name of the icon, and the ion label comes in the ion tab button to put the label, and the same here. And now that's it for this